Hi, I'm David Bergman.
Angela Bergman.
We're bringing you this amazing mid-century modern style home in the Green Gables neighborhood of Palo Alto. It's an amazing house. We can't wait to show you. It's got walls of glass. We're just minutes away from both the elementary, mid, and high school. High school has gone high. Great schools, great property, over 8,000 square foot lot. Are you ready?
Let's go.
One of the things I love about this mid-century modern style, Angela, is the natural light. The skylight we just passed, the huge windows, just the inside-outside connection is amazing.
There are more than one skylights in the house, right? Lots of windows and this abundance of natural light coming through these giant windows and overlooking the big trees, mature garden. It's gorgeous, I love it.
Just the inside-outside connection is there. This is an amazing house. Let's go see some more.
Don't you love this beautiful view behind me? Large window, abundance of natural light, and gorgeous trees and landscaping. This is two of the bedrooms with ensuite bath. And waiting until you see the other one, it's even larger. Okay, here what the other bedroom with the ensuite bath. We have abundance of natural light, of course, and larger room, more closet space, fireplace, and door directly to the outside.
I just love this backyard. It's such a peaceful, quiet place. We've got beautiful flowers, special plantings, very mature landscaping, and then look at the tree behind us. It's just stunning. Close to some of the best parks in Palo Alto, the best schools in Palo Alto. We'd love for you to come and see this amazing place.
Absolutely. Call us today to experience the difference with the Bergmans.